Hey guys, welcome back to Empty Nest Let's Travel. Lon Teresa here. We're in Hua Hin, Thailand, and we're at a night market. Night markets are a really big thing here in Thailand. We're at the Cicada Night Market. We're just going to give you a quick tour around so you can see the food and all the wonderful things you can buy here. So stay tuned and continue watching. Thanks. So one of the things that makes this night market unique is that you use coupons to buy all the food. So behind me is a coupon booth. You see people queuing or lining up over there to buy coupons. So they come in 100 baht increments. If you don't use them, then you can always exchange them before the end of the night to get your monies back. But you have to use coupons to buy the food and drink. But you can use regular baht or regular money or currency to buy crafts and other wares of the dealers that you'll see here in a few minutes.
everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Lon and Teresa here. Today we're going to be talking about the Cicada Night Market in Hua Hin, Thailand. The night market is located about 3.5 miles from the main downtown area of Hua Hin. It's a little bit south. And the best thing probably about it for us is that it was just a hotel golf cart ride away from where we stayed at the Hyatt Regency in Hua Hin. So it was really short distance for us to get there. And if you have not seen that video of the review of that hotel, please make sure you check that out after this video.
So just to go over a few things, like Lon said, it was a convenient short walk or golf cart ride from the Hyatt where we stayed. It was just up the road. It's also across the street from the Holiday Inn in Hua Hin in the southern part. And we thought that it was a really neat night market. It had a lot to offer. There was obviously a lot of tourists there. When we went, I would definitely double check the time and the days, because I think that changes seasonally when they're open and the days that they're opened. So I would definitely check that before you go. It was maybe a little pricey because it was such a tourist attraction for there. There were definitely some native Thai people there enjoying the food, but I'd say that like for a dinner plate for each of us, it was maybe between $8 and $10 for each plate and a drink. Where an average, if you went to a local eatery, which we did a couple nights, you might be able to spend like $3 to $5 per plate, and then maybe get a drink for like 50 cents or $1. So we went to a couple local eateries, which I definitely recommend doing because they were very good and the service was good and the food was good. I think that was probably about the same quality of food that we got at the night market versus what we got at the local restaurants. So my favorite part of going to this market was to see all the things that were for sale, in particular to see a lot of the craftspeople and artisans that were there. There were several people who were painters who were painting their portraits or pictures there while you were watching, and they were very talented. There was some incredible artwork available for sale, which I thought was at very reasonable prices. However, I don't own a home, so I couldn't purchase any, and I certainly couldn't get a big piece of art home back to the United States. But definitely some really beautiful things available for sale there. Just another note that there is another night market, or a walk away south, just a little bit, maybe 2 or 3 blocks south of the Cicada Night Market. It's called the Tamarind Night Market, and we did go there one evening. It's definitely more local, a little less expensive, and again, I would check availability online. But overall, we had a really good time. It was a really fun evening. Got to experience different food, walk around and see different things to buy, and it was just a really neat experience, something a little different to be able to do while we were there.
Yeah, they had a lot of different types of food. We've been traveling in Asia for a few months, so we've eaten a lot of cultural types of foods. For me, I was nice just to have good old Western food. That was the first time I like, oh my goodness, they got pizza, they got spaghetti bolognese, they got hamburgers. So I was like, I'm gonna get me some Western or American food here. But it was nice, it was a nice evening.
So we really enjoyed it. We hope you liked our video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. And please, to support us, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.
Take care, bye-bye.